Okay, so just got in the mail cold air intake from courtesy of Amazon. I'm gonna be changing out this ridiculous big thing. It came in the box right here. I'll take it all out, see how it is. Okay, and here's what all comes in the kit. Of course, you have instructions. That's the brand right there. Some clamps, everything. Nice shiny tube. This insert right here. And I went with a blue filter. I believe they have red and white, so I went with the blue. Let's get this all installed. Okay, so when you're buying universal stuff, this is an issue you run into. I don't know if you can see that, but now my hood won't close because this sits too high. So I'm gonna have to do some customization. Make sure this thing fits. Okay, so now you can see, hopefully that gives a little bit better angle, showing that, hey, it now, the hood went all closed. It was sitting up, probably up here before. Now it's way down here, so yeah, it's a good inch or two. I actually went to the hardware store and went and bought some Sawzall blades, but ended up just using some snips. It's in, and the hood closes, so continuing on. Alright, so got it all trimmed this so that way it sit down lower so it could close the hood. Got the filter installed, got the mass airflow sensor installed, reconnected, all tight, all the way up to the intake. Woohoo! Oh, I gotta put a cover back on top there. Let's do that one. Let's try and do this one-handed. Ooh, motor's dirty. Gotta clean it. Anyway, that's back on there. Looks pretty. And that's all tightened up nice and on there and everything. A lot cleaner look. A lot of stuff are taken out of the way and everything. Got this bulk out of the way and everything. I mean, why? Why do you need, honestly, this whole chamber coming down over here? Yeah. So, from this to that, much better. Not more throaty. A bit quicker. Let's see how it goes.